Graders, we're going to go over some of the answers to our Social Studies Nearpod about Memorial Day and Veterans Day. So in this activity, we wanted you to draw a picture of your family celebrating Memorial Day. Remember on Memorial Day they had parades, they had picnics, people were wearing red, white, and blue. They had a lot of American flags. So these are all things that maybe you drew in your picture. If you just drew a picture of your family playing games or something, I'm not sure if that's a way you would celebrate Memorial Day. So really think about what we do to celebrate this holiday. In this activity, we wanted you to match the holiday to the correct reason why we celebrate each holiday, thinking about why each holiday is important. So we'll start with Veterans Day. Veterans Day is a holiday where we thank and honor all people who served in the military. They might have lost their lives or they might still be alive. Memorial Day is a holiday where we remember and honor people who died while they were keeping our country safe. The last activity you had to do was draw a picture of something you and your family might do on Memorial Day or Veterans Day. You might have drawn a United States flag at half-staff to show that you're honoring these US soldiers. Remember, half-staff means the flag's in the middle of the pole. Maybe you drew your family at a picnic with a lot of American flags and talking about remembering these veterans. Maybe you drew your family at a parade with a bunch of people celebrating our freedom. Those are a few things you could have drawn here.